Today we talk about how can you delete account on your Kahoot app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go up of your photo profile, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. Then all you have to do, just go up of this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Then all you have to do, just click here on profile settings. Then you come to next step here, just switching to open video. So when it's going to open video like this, then all you have to do, you just go down here, keep going down, and you click here on delete account here. So then you come to this list, then you just click here on delete account. When you add feedback here, and here select option of your reason, you click here on delete account, and it's going to delete video. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.